Dude pare, what's up? How you guys doing? My name is Ronnie. Welcome to my nick. In today's video, we're going to get into another facet of my collection, the Funko Pops. I got a couple of pops to bring out your school spirit, whether you shout one big fight or animal. Let's do this, shall we? Funko Pops are vinyl figurines created by the company Funko Inc. back in 1998. The company was started by Mike Becker as a way to create nostalgic toys and figures. Becker wanted a coin back out of American fast food icon Big Boy, but replicas on eBay were too expensive, so he decided to create his own. Funko makes tons of different characters from different aspects of pop culture, which adds to the appeal of collecting these items. Funko Pop is a 4-inch miniature model with an exaggeratedly large head. Plus, they come in neat windowed packages that are easily to display and store. If you want to know more about Funko, they got a movie entitled Making Fun, The Story of Funko. The movie features our very own Nico Lim, the admin of Funko Fanatics Philippines. You can watch the movie on YouTube, just search for the title. And after which, you can head on over and join the Facebook group Funko Fanatics Philippines for some good clean Funko fun. My first ever Funko Pop came in the way of a prize from a raffle during a comic book group's Christmas party event. I wasn't into it back then, so I didn't really think much of it, but in 2019, Jollibee released their Jollibee in Barong Funko Pop as part of the Philippine Independence Day celebration. And that's where it all started. I got two of it, partly thinking that it just was a one-off purchase, because you know, it's Jollibee and of course, you gotta have it because of, pride. Then on the same year, they followed it up with a 2-pack figure of Jollibee holding a bucket of Chicken Joy and another figure of Heady Spaghetti. Last year, 2020, Jollibee released another figure, and this time it was Jollibee on a delivery bike. For the 2020 holidays, Funko Fanatic Philippines released a glittered variant of the Heady Spaghetti exclusive to the Facebook group. At first, I didn't really want to go into collecting Funko because it's a bottomless pit for a collector. I was limiting my purchases to the Jollibee line, but somehow, I got bitten by the Funko bug and didn't even realize it. And the rest, as they say, is history. For today, we'll be unboxing these collegiate mascot figures from two of the top universities in the country, the ADMU Blue Eagles and the DLSU Green Archer. These figures are available and exclusive to Filbar's physical and online store and are priced at 800 pesos a piece. The boxes are prominently designed with the school's color, green for Salle and blue for Ateneo. The front of the box has the Pop Toyline College, the school's name, and the number or order of the figure in the set. Just to be clear, this is not an athlete's jersey number. For this particular line, the Pop College, there have been 20 college mascots that were released. 15 for DLSU, 16 is for UCLA, 17 is for University of Kentucky, 18 is for North Carolina, 19 is WSU, and 20 is Ateneo. We also got the hologram stickers with the LaSalle and the Eagle logo, respectively. Both indicate official merchandise, which means these are approved by the school themselves. And on the front bottom is the name of the mascot with the figure's partial art on the front lower left. The sides have the Pop Line College, full figure art, name of the figure, and the order number of the line. Similar designs are also found at the back. Added are the school seal with the background set to the school colors. Notable difference is while Ateneo has plain design, LaSalle has added aesthetics to the background with the ripple emanating from the school building and the slogan "The future begins here." The other side of the box contains similar details to the opposite side but with the extended window display. So let's open them up and let's start with the number 15, the Green Archer. There's a protective plastic box that I put the Funko in. It's called the Boss Protector and it comes extra for about 40 pesos when you purchase the pop. If you would like your pops to be protected, do ask for an extra Boss Protector whenever you purchase them. And for opening pops, we usually do it on the bottom part of the box. So inside, the figure is still protected by a clamshell so that it won't bounce around inside the box. And here you go, a cute little Green Archer. So why Green Archer? A LaSallian brother came up with the Green Archer as the school mascot as inspired by William Tell and the charitable works of Robin Hood. Green being the national colors of Ireland, where the same founding father of the De La Salle brothers in the Philippines came from. And white from the Philippines being the pearl of the Orient, and it's colored pearly white. Garbed from head to foot in green and white, the figure captures the pose of the actual statue of the Green Archer, where he is in a dynamic pose, kneeling on one knee with a drawn arrow on the extended bow ready to shoot. I think the toy was designed after the current Green Archer logo rather than the statue, as they have removed the dagger on the belt and added a quiver holding additional arrows. Overall, a well-executed figure. Although we'll be opening the box from the bottom, I've seen several videos online and that they featured a sort of an Easter egg on the flap inside the box where it says "One Big Fight." Still on a clamshell as well to protect the figure. It's a Blue Eagle. So why Blue Eagle as a mascot? Conferred with the title The King, the Blue Eagle is a reference to the high-flying Ateneo varsity team, which would swoop down on the foe and sweep up the fields away as a dominating force in a field of sports. Also, eagle kinda signifies as a symbol of power. And get this, Ateneo used to bring live eagles into games to lead the men's varsity team when entering the basketball court with the school band playing the background the fight song Blue Eagle, the King. Totally badass. The school colors of blue and white are the signs of the Ateneo's devotion to Mama Mary and its commitment to become like her, a constantly true and faithful servant of the Lord. The blue feathered eagle sporting a white Ateneo jersey with the letter A up front and Ateneo spelled out at the back. Almost in a museum pose, but with its right arm or wing stretched out with the fist clenched, ready to cheer the school's battle cry. One big fight. The figure is textured with the feathers being sculpted into the mold. Although the paint isn't perfect, especially on the beak part, when buying I had to choose among 4 to 5 figures to get a decent paint without any speck or dust imperfections on the beak alone. But it's not a bad figure as a mascot goes. It actually looks pretty good. Pretty cool figures, am I right? Hopefully, these gain enough traction that Funko would decide to produce the mascots to the remaining universities of UAAP. So for now, let's settle for this too. Sound off at the comments section below and let's see some cheer for your alma mater. One big fight for Ateneo and Animo for La Salle. And if you'd like to own one of these very cute mascots, just head on over to Filbar. They have an online store you can check for availability. I'll link their webpage in the description below. And that's it for today's unboxing. Hope your school spirits have been ignited. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe down below if you still haven't, and smash that notification bell. I'll see you next time.